All right, so Joe, one of the things I'm really focused on, there's too many people focused on supply chain and supply problems. I'm focused on demand, and is it there? Now that we see kind of light at the end of the Omicron tunnel, how is domestic and worldwide demand for your product?
Well, as the Omicron recedes, Jim, all over the world, we see it actually being positive from the standpoint of our order rate. So we can correlate that directly. And, Jim, I'd bring your attention to something. Over 2 years, we have a 62% stack rate growth for 2 years. Okay, so let's just say it's 30% a year. And so we know there's a lot going on in the marketplace right now, but over those 2 years, we're at the top of our market. So that demand's out there. Nothing's fundamentally changed. The only thing that's really in our way has been Omicron. And when that recedes, you'll see our demand come back.
Okay, so different measures to ways to come up with how we feel demand is. Now, some people are saying to me that there's been some erosion in the average selling price of your product. So that makes me think, well, wait a second, are there other competitors? Is demand a little bit less? I want to do a little, just a little more drill down to be sure that I'm confident the demand is there.
Yeah, I know that narrative's out there, Jim, but our average selling price was up for the quarter overall. And our average selling price was up for the year overall. There's competition out there, but we haven't had to respond to it from a pricing standpoint. Remember, our competition's braces in the end. We're still only 10% penetrated into braces, and that's what we're primarily targeting on is how do we grow that incredible market we've talked about before.
When I first met you, you were an American company. I don't know, at what point will you be an international company with an American division?
Well, right now we're 50-50. 50% is America's. That's just, America's, let's say North America and also Canada, and the rest is overseas. We've had tremendous growth in Europe, great growth in Asia, as you know. Our scanner business too, our iTero scanner business this year, it hit $700 million. It's grown tremendously over the years. So, and that's, that business is based in Israel, and tremendously international business too. Jim also opened up production in Poland this year. We have production in China and production in Mexico. So we cover all three poles too. So I'd say we're a very balanced international business.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @JimCramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.